Hello and welcome to the Advanced Software Architecture course. My name is Imed Hammouda. This is a lecture on architectural tactics, part 5. In this lecture, we discuss architectural tactics for security. An action taken against a computer system with the intention of doing harm is called an attack and can take a number of forms. It can be an unauthorized attempt to access data or services or to modify data, or it may be intended to deny services to legitimate users. Security is a measure of the system's ability to protect data and information from unauthorized access, while still providing access to people and systems that are authorized. One method of thinking about how to achieve security in a system is to think about physical security. Secure installations have limited access, have means of detecting intruders, have deterrence mechanisms such as armed guards, have reaction mechanisms such as automatic lock of doors, and have recovery mechanisms such as off-site backup. Tactics addressing security have as their goal to detect, resist, react, or recover from attacks. The figure on the slide presents a concrete scenario for security. The system is being attacked by another external system with an attempt to reduce its availability or the availability of some of its parts during normal operations. The system swiftly identifies the attacker and notifies operators about the detected attack. In the event of such attack, a maximum of one system service could be compromised. In order to enhance security aspects of a system, an architect is equipped with a rich set of security tactics to select from and realize in the architectural design at hand. Four major categories of security tactics can be identified. First, the system should be able to detect attacks through strategies such as detecting intrusion or detecting service denial. Second, the system should be able to resist to attacks by implementing mechanisms such as identify actors or authenticate actors. Third, the architecture should support reacting to attacks through mechanisms such as revoke access or lock computer. Finally, the system should be able to recover from attacks by, for example, maintaining audit trail or restore strategies. As example tactic, identify actors is about identifying the source of any external input to the system. Users are typically identified through user IDs. Other systems may be identified through access codes, IP addresses, and ports. Please refer to the textbook if you want to learn more about the individual tactics. Here is an example system showing security tactics in action. A disgruntled employee from a remote location attempts to modify the pay rate table during normal operations. In order to respond to such attack, the system maintains an audit trail where the action and its effect are recorded. In this way, the action is traced and the attacker is identified. The correct data is then restored within a day. Here is a question for reflection. Which architectural elements can be the most sensitive to security requirements? Data components are possible targets for security attacks. Messages between remote nodes are also possible targets for interception. This is the end of the Architectural Tactics lecture, part 5. Thank you for watching.